Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Are you tired of your phone's home screen looking a little bland? Do you ever see the gorgeous living wallpapers on Google's Pixel phones and wish you could have them on your device? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can get these exact wallpapers on almost any Android phone, all thanks to one beautiful app. Let's get into it. The app we're looking at today is called WallMan. Simply put, WallMan is a fantastic application that brings Google's entire collection of official Pixel wallpapers directly to your phone. This isn't just a collection of random images. These are the high-quality, beautifully designed wallpapers that Google creates specifically for their flagship devices. WallMan categorizes them neatly, giving you access to two main types. The WallMan app itself can be installed on any device running Android 8 or later. So if you have an older phone, you can still access and use all of the beautiful static wallpapers. However, to get the full experience with the dynamic and live wallpapers, you will need to be running Android 11 or a more recent version. Download the application from video description and install it like a normal application. In the application, you have the static wallpapers. These are stunning, high-resolution photographs and digital art. From incredible landscapes to abstract designs, there's a huge library to choose from, and they look sharp on any display. But the real magic comes with the dynamic wallpapers. These are the famous living wallpapers from the Pixel line. They can be subtle animations that react when you unlock your phone, or even wallpapers that change throughout the day based on the time or whether it's light or dark outside. They truly make your phone feel more alive and personal. They can be subtle animations that react when you unlock your phone, or even wallpapers that change throughout the day based on the time or whether it's light or dark outside. They truly make your phone feel more alive and personal. So, that's WallMan. It's a simple, free, and safe way to get some of the best-looking wallpapers in the Android world onto your device. If this video helped you freshen up your phone, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Subscribe for more videos on Android customization, apps, and tips. Let me know in the comments down below which Pixel wallpaper is your absolute favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.